It is Janta Parivar 3.0. You may have had Morarji Desai and then Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Now it is the Janta Parivar with Mulayam Singh Yadav at the helm of affairs. 6 regional satraps have come together to form a new political outfit. INLD's Abhay Chautala, JDU's Nitish Kumar and Sharad Yadav, Samajwadi Party's Shivpal Yadav, RJD Chief Lalu Yadav and Samajwadi Party's Mulayam Singh Yadav met to take the final call on the new outfit. A formal announcement was made by Mulayam Singh Yadav at a press conference. The party's symbol is still to be decided. The party's name is still to be decided. But they have one agenda, and that is defeat the BJP led by Narendra Modi in Bihar. The 6-party offshoot will unite under SP Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav. Now, their first major task is to be a force to reckon with in Bihar. They also pose a challenge to the government in Rajya Sabha, where the combined strength of this alliance is 30 seats.
सभी 6 दलों सपा, जनता दल यूनाइटेड, राष्ट्रीय जनता दल, जेडीएस, इंडियन नेशनल लोकदल और सजपा के नेताओं की बैठक में नए दल के गठन का निर्णय लिया गया। सर्वसम्मति से तय हुआ कि नए दल के अध्यक्ष माननीय श्री मुलायम सिंह यादव जी होंगे।
जेडीयू, आरजेडी,
थोड़ा सरकार देते हैं।
जेडीएस,
नहीं, इधर बंद नहीं रहना।
समाजवादी पार्टी, इंडियन नेशनल लोकदल, समाजवादी जनता पार्टी कमल मुराका unanimously decided that Sri Mulayam Singh Yadav has to become the chairman, and under his chairmanship a 5-member committee has been formed.
सांप्रदायिक ताकतों के जो डिजाइन है इस देश में, जिस तरह से चिटिंग करके देश के मतदाताओं को भरमा के गलती पर बैठे हैं और देश में कम्युनलाइज देश को कर रहा है चारों तरफ। झंडा चुनाव चिन्ह, राज्यों के राष्ट्रीय स्तर के संगठन का चुनाव, यह जिम्मेदारी सबको बहुत जल्दी मिलेगा।
नीति और कार्यक्रम,
नीति और कार्यक्रम, नीति है वही भाजपा को खदेड़ने का।
Joining me now for more is Headlines Today's Brijesh Pandey. He's standing by at Mulayam Singh Yadav's house. Also with me is senior journalist Sharad Pradhan, joins us from Lucknow. Executive editor Javed Ansari with me in studio, and BJP's GVL Narasimha Rao joins me for the BJP perspective. Brijesh, coming to you first, why was the name of the party not announced today? Why was the party symbol not announced? Are there still some hiccups?
Well, Gaurav, there are teething problems and there are hiccups, because what has been announced today is merely a one step forward of what we have been hearing for the last 6 months. Almost everybody knew that there were talks going on. There have been deliberations going on within this 6-party, and today we all were expecting that they will go ahead and announce the name, flag, symbol, the charter of it, the new party. But sadly, none of the decisions were taken today, and as Deve Gowda said, that a 5-member team committee under the presidentship of Mulayam Singh Yadav has been formed, which will decide on the flag, the symbol and various other issues. So it's very clear that they are walking very slow, and there could be a merger of minds of the senior leaders, but definitely all is not well when the power structure which will be distributed vertically in Bihar between JDU and RJD, that is when the real test of this coalition will come to the fore, and will be a very, very serious challenge, and challenge for these party leaders to make sure that their cadre remains united.